Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure your iPhone is up to date and you know whether you want widgets on the home screen or Today view. Once ready, long press any empty area or app icon to enter jiggle mode. This allows you to add and rearrange. Tap the plus button in the top left to open the widget gallery, then preview widget sizes. You're starting practical work now, so pick an app and test a small widget to confirm compatibility before arranging larger layouts. Now you'll choose and customize widgets. Pick a size and tap or drag it onto the screen. If you want multiple widgets in one spot, create a stack by dropping one widget on another. Once stacked, swipe to cycle or use Smart Rotate. To change content, tap Edit Widget or open the host app and adjust preferences. This updates data and refresh intervals. Make sure to arrange for readability, and tap Done to exit jiggle mode. Once you're finishing by confirming everything works. Tap Done to lock the layout, then watch widgets update with live data. If a widget appears blank or stuck, first try restarting your iPhone. Once done, re-add the widget. Make sure the app has background refresh enabled in settings and check app permissions. If problems persist, update or reinstall the app to clear its cache. One reliable tip: toggling background app refresh often resolves stale widget content quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.